Hello and welcome to our Edutrips demonstration on the administration feature of Edutrips. This is a user screen that you can see at the moment, and the main administrators have access to these settings. So quite simply, you're able to change your password of the account, add and edit your account details, organise your trip settings. So this is where it gives you the ability to be able to set certain authorisations and also manage the way that you organise trips. So do you want to enable post-trip evaluation to be recorded by staff? Would you like consent forms for trips to be included within the system? Do you want to be able to add multiple participants? And there are lots of different features that give you easy options for setting up the management of your trips. And at every stage, there's a useful user guide to give you guidance and advice along the way. You can set up new users, so new teachers that may be joining the school or the college. You can allocate departments for the users. You can also identify notifications and when they should receive information. And you can also upload groups of staff. And this also links in with other management information systems that you may have. You can edit and delete departments if you wish, and edit those accounts. So if we look at one as an example, we can see this account holder here. We can add or edit our insurance details, which is useful because all teachers should check whether their trip is covered on insurance. Then we move on to the trip authoriser setup. So as the administrator of the system, you can then set up which departments and which individuals can authorise trips at different stages. It may be at initial authorisation or it could be final authorisation. You can also determine the order that those people can authorise trips. And it also covers the different types of trips, ranging from basic trips, which could be a day trip to a museum, so that's a low-risk trip, right through to an overseas residential adventurous activities trip, which is also covered by BS 8848, the British standard. So it gives you a great deal of flexibility. And from a health and safety perspective, you can also determine who's actually going to be checking the risk assessments and make sure that that's done as well. There are different methods for adding participants and also adding and updating year groups. And finally, we have a messaging system in here for the main administrator for any useful information that they might want to have access to. Giving them the ability to be able to authorise or decline trips. Thank you for listening.